So let's talk about PowToon. PowToon is a great project system for students to use to create a project based on what they have learned in class. So when you go to PowToon, it's quick and it's easy, just like it says on the page. You're going to click on Start Now. And then if you're a Google school, you can just continue with Google and log in. It's super easy. Okay, now once we're in here, what type of PowToon would you like to create? Would you like to have an explainer video or a marketing video, an infographic video? There are so many templates that you can create. So have your student log on, let them go to the template part of PowToon and choose which template they want to use. Another option is they can create a blank PowToon. So if you want to use a template, you can use a template and it already has it set up for you, or you can choose to use a blank one. So in the blank one, again, you have options. You can choose from Modern Edge to a whiteboard to a cartoon, an infographic, or reel. So there's lots of different options for this PowToon. So let's just pick one. So we click on cartoon, and over here you can search the scenes. Do you want an opening, intro? And you can have a logo, you can have, delete that and put the title. You can search through the scenes, introduction, or icons. You can do characters. And look and see, who do you want to use? So we can replace this and have the name, and then who it's by. So then, now we have our theme, and it's by E.B. Watson. So now our next thing is we're going to add a new slide. So over here, it says Pro. That means you have to pay for it. So we're using the free version. So we're going to go to the next part and add a new slide. And if you don't like it, then you can just pick from a new scene. So we can put a grid in here and put an image. So again, you're gonna have your image already saved so that you know, select from over here, or there are sample images that you can use. Also, if there are videos that your students have created, they can upload videos. There are videos already in here, or you can choose to add a video. So this could be something that they've already recorded or something that they have already saved to their device. So then we just keep choosing our content, choosing our scenes, and what do we want to use. So it's all dependent on what they are working on. Now some students, instead of creating their own, they like to use a template that has already been created. And that's completely fine. You're just going to pick your video and some of them you have to pay for, some of them are free. So we're going to use this free one, And while we go through this template, we're going to change the stuff that they've put in there just to hold the spot for, okay, we're going to use theme of a story, and then they can put who it's by. That way we know. And any additional text that they want to put down there, if they want to put the title of the story they're using, whatever your subject is. So then here we're going to put what's the theme of the story, and they can insert an image. And then they just keep going through. If they don't like this slide, then they just click the trash can. I don't want that one. So here I'm going to move on, put my different points that I'm going to use. Want to learn more about theme, and then they could link a YouTube video, a Flipgrid. They can put here a video of them discussing theme. They could have a book talk. Make it about your content again, and then we're going to play our video, and it has music that's already on there, so you can play each slide. And when you're finished with the whole thing, you're going to save it. And then from here, you can preview and export. So you can see your whole presentation. And this one's 28 seconds long. Of course, you can make it as long as you need for it to be. And then you can export it. You can also do it as a slideshow instead of a movie. So if you have a YouTube channel, your students can upload it to YouTube. They can share it. They can download it as a PDF, and you can just see each slide. And they can choose their category, choose to make it public, or just with whoever has the link against, and then you are finished.